Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart. Thank you for ordering the widget that is going to allow us to showcase not only your testimonials, very similar to what you're going to see on the client testimonial page right here, but also embed and put on the same page the Google MyMap of your business. So an example of what that would look like from the real estate world, here's somebody who was in one of my classes years ago, and she was able to go out and create a MyMap showing all of the properties that she had sold in a certain neighborhood. Now this can be extended to show wherever you have sold. It can be specific to a city, a neighborhood, whatever the case may be. But for us to create the map properly, what we need from you is two spreadsheets, one for the buy side, one for the sell side. Now if you're in any industry, and you just want to showcase we have sold this product or service here, then we would just need one spreadsheet that showcases the locations that you want to have. If you happen to be in real estate, to get your buy side and get your sell side spreadsheets, what you need to do is contact your local board for the MLS, tell them you would like to extract your data, and they will give you the instructions on how you can pull that data, and then you would put it onto a spreadsheet. Now what you need to do on that spreadsheet is clean it up a little bit. This whole program is what we call WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And whatever is on that spreadsheet is what's going to be loaded onto the map. So go in and clean out all of the unnecessary columns that you don't want. You can just delete them. You can abbreviate certain information, whatever you want to do. But just know that whatever's on that spreadsheet is what's going to be on there when somebody comes over and clicks on a bubble. So in this case, she just has the address, which is completely fine. You can do that. I've seen other instances where they put the address and they put the year. That's completely fine as well too. It's your choice. It's going to end up being your map. So you're going to get that information to us via spreadsheet. You're going to send it over. We are then going to load this into your map. And basically what you're going to have is you're going to have a map that's going to showcase all of your pinpoints. Here's the one that I use for my business, right? So all the locations that I've trained at. And then you're going to have the ability for us to go in and update this for you on a regular basis. That's part of the hosting fee that we're going to do for this. You would go in at the end of the month, end of the quarter, whatever the case may be, send us the updated information for your pins, and we will make sure that we get that added to your map. And so what you're going to have is an ever-evolving Google My Map embedded into your website. And in case you don't know this, Google My Map is one of the most powerful things that you can do from a search engine optimization point of view. So this is going to be a huge advantage for you, for your website, to get ranked on Google. So hopefully this makes sense. All we have to have is a spreadsheet. Now, if you are a fairly new agent or new to your business and you don't have a lot of the pins available for your closings for your specific business, keep in mind that you can go out and put in the pins for your business as a whole, or if you're part of a brokerage and your brokerage has done extremely well in your area, then you can also go out and get the pins, run the search for what your brokerage has sold on the buy side and the sell side, and give us a spreadsheet for that, and we can go out and put the pins out there for the brokerage. So it doesn't have to be you individually. Ideally, that's what we want. But if you're looking to build your list and want to provide that a little bit later, in the meantime, you can go out and showcase what your brokerage has done or what your company as a whole has done as you start to build up your list. So hopefully this makes sense. All we got to have is the spreadsheets. You would send that, and that's it. We'll take care of the rest for you. Thanks.